In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom metrics in Looker Studio, also known as calculated fields. This tutorial will help you tailor metrics to suit your specific analytical needs and ultimately make your reports more insightful. Let's start by understanding what custom metrics, or calculated fields, are. Essentially, calculated fields provide you with the flexibility to create your own metrics or dimensions based on existing data without needing to alter the original data source. This capability allows you to apply mathematical operations, aggregate data, or even use conditional logic to extract more meaningful insights from your datasets. Now, you might be wondering where you can create these calculated fields. Well, you have two main options. The first is at the data source level, where the custom metric becomes available across all charts and reports using that particular data source. The second option is at the chart level. This is when you wish to apply the custom metric only to a specific chart you're working on. The choice between these two depends on how broadly you want the custom metric to be applied. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating a custom metric. Begin by opening the report where you want to add this new metric. Navigate to the chart where you'd like the custom metric implemented. Once you're in the correct spot, direct your attention to the Setup panel on the right-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll need to click on Add Metric. You'll then see an option to Create Field. Or if you're working in the data source editor, look for Add Field. The next step is to give your custom metric a clear and descriptive name. Something like Average Order Value or Revenue Per User can be both informative and easy to remember. Naming it appropriately will help you and others understand the purpose of the metric at a glance. Now comes the critical part, creating the formula. Using existing fields and built-in functions, you can develop a formula that suits your needs. For instance, if you want to calculate the average order value, you could use a formula like sum revenue divided by sum transactions. Alternatively, if you're aiming to calculate revenue per user, you might use sum revenue divided by count distinct user ID. The key here is to understand the operations you want to perform and ensure they're correctly expressed in your formula. Once your formula is set, you'll need to choose the appropriate data type for your metric. Options include number or currency, which help define how your data will be presented. Finally, if you've created the custom field at the data source level, you'll hit Save, but if it's at the chart level, click Apply. And there you have it. Your custom field will now appear in your field list, identified with a blue icon, and it's ready to be used in your analysis. By following these steps, you'll be able to leverage Looker Studio's powerful calculated fields and create more tailored, insightful reports. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.